Namaste everyone. I keep coming up with the tech tips you need. Is only one side of your wireless earbuds working. Don't throw them away. They are not broken. Let's fix this pairing issue in exactly 45 seconds to 1 minute. So click on forget device or unpair, whatever your click on forget, so that it is unpaired from this device. Return is written in my phone, so I click on OK. And so next, take your earbuds out of this charging case. So I take these both Airdopes and tap the touch areas on both earbuds 5 times quickly at the same time. Now all of you can see those red and blue LED lights are flashing in these earbuds. That means the reset is complete. So I put both of them back in the charging case. And now I put both Airdopes 1 back in the charging case, and I take them out, and boom, both sides are working perfectly. Please subscribe to Tapan's Tech Hub for more quick tech solutions. Thank you.